What if every time your mining rig crashed, it paid you thousands? For most miners, that rig offline alert is pure panic. But what if that ping were a cash register, not pocket change? Think a clean $2,000 payday. In this video, I'm breaking down a system that turns broken hardware into a crazy scalable profit engine. We treat the alert as an automated trigger, then route it straight into a high-ticket affiliate sale. Simple signal in, big commission out. We're literally making money from malfunctions. On purpose. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how to wire it up. If you mine crypto, you know the sting. You've sunk thousands into GPUs, spent nights tuning configs, and squeezed for every megahash. When a rig drops, profits bleed by the minute. Uptime is the mission. That red error, your sworn enemy. But hold up, affiliate marketers, you play a different game. But chase the same thing, buyers in heat. You hunt for signals of urgent pain, the moment someone needs a fix now. Funnels are built, but the river of ready-to-buy traffic is the prize. So we asked, what if a miner's worst moment became your best signal? Treat a rig offline alert not as a problem, but as a hot lead, with a specific expensive issue. That's the heart of this system, turning rage-inducing error data into revenue. Converting farm noise into a clean signal that kicks off a fully automated sales machine. This isn't mining at a loss, it's a second higher margin business on the hardware you already own. Okay, here's the blueprint. 4 parts: the trigger, the engine, the fuel, the connection. Follow this, and a crashed rig can become a commission check. Chapter 1, the trigger. Hive OS alerts. Set Hive OS to fire a webhook the instant a worker goes offline. In notifications, choose webhooks. Paste your unique URL, and save. When a rig drops, power, GPU, whatever, Hive OS pings that URL immediately. That single ping is the spark that starts the funnel. Chapter 2. The engine, a simple programmatic funnel. 1. Landing page. Your rig is down, here's help. 2. Bridge page. Briefly introduce the real solution behind the crash. 3. Automated emails, pre-written messages that build trust and present the offer. This runs 24/7, so the selling starts the moment the alert hits. Chapter 3. The fuel. High-ticket affiliate offers that match the pain. Aim for 1K, 2.5K per sale. Options. Trading bots and pro software. Crypto tax tools or services, often with renewals. Premium trading courses or mentorships. You're not spamming, you're timing the right solution to the worst moment. Chapter 4. The connection. Webhooks and automation. In Zapier or Pabbly. 1. Create a workflow. 2. Trigger. Catch hook. Webhooks. Copy the unique URL. 3. Paste that URL into Hive OS notifications. 4. Action. Add subscriber in your email tool, passing rig details. Turn it on. Now, when Hive OS sees worker offline, the webhook fires, the workflow catches it, and your sales machine gets to work. Okay, here's the payday. Fast. It's 3 a.m. Your rig Big Bertha crashes. Hash rate drops to 0. Instantly, Hive OS fires the webhook. Seconds later, Zapier catches it and adds a contact to your funnel for a high-ticket AI trading bot. Price $5,000, commission 35%. Day 1. Email. 1 acknowledges unreliable mining. Day 3. Case study with results. Day 5. Clear offer. They click, sign up, and pay. A moment later, congratulations, you earned $2,500. Will every crash rescue your cash flow? No. But while you're rebooting and maybe losing $20, the system is already selling. 1 alert, $2,500. Rethink your mining operation. It's not just hardware, it's a data generation asset. Every error, every crash is a monetizable trigger. You've got the blueprint, the trigger, the engine, the fuel, and the connection. Sync Hive OS alerts to an automated high-ticket funnel and turn downtime into revenue. Set it once, let it run. When rigs fail, the system sells. Download the free resource pack now. Checklist, plug-and-play copy, and my vetted high-ticket programs that pay thousands. Link in the description. Grab it today and launch this system. If this reframed how you think about mining, smash subscribe for more automations and build-outs. Thanks for watching. Start reading those red alerts as green dollar signs.